What is going on, everybody? So, reorganized the van yesterday, got the yard signs up here, and the roof of it actually tucked up into the frame of the roof, so they're completely out of the way. Got that A-frame sign attached to the front because it's always falling around. We've got 2 rows of yard signs up there on the top because those were always making a mess in there. And then we actually put together about 300 to 400 of these yard tags right here, and we've got them stuck down into the outer frame of the van so they can be pulled out and placed into the yards after we finish jobs. Super simple, super effective. We're trying to save some space, so this helped us out a ton. Just want to share it with y'all. Hope y'all can find some value. Catch y'all later.